Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to easily download and install Optifine on the latest release of Minecraft 1.20.1. And if you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing and leaving a like. So first things first, I'm just downloading and installing the latest version on Minecraft on my launcher here. And once that's done, we'll get onto the actual Optifine installation. Alright, so my Minecraft is already up and running, so I'll just exit this for now. And then now all you have to do is search on Google for Optifine. Click on the first result here, optifine.net. On the top here, just click on downloads. And then preview versions of the 1.20.1. So these are preview versions since this is the latest version, but I recommend downloading the latest one here. So it's probably this one. Just click on download. Just click on skip on the top right. And then download. Keep. Alright. Okay, so it's done downloading. Just click on it and then click on install. And as you can see, it'll pop up that Optifine is successfully installed. Okay, and then it'll exit. So now all you have to do is just reopen your Minecraft launcher. And as you can see, it has already defaulted to the Optifine version. Just click on the drop down here and then click on Optifine and then click on play. Just understand, play. Right, so as you can see, my Minecraft is already open. Let's just create a quick world here. So now I'm on my world and let's just see if Optifine actually works here. So F3. So as you can see in the top left, it's already installed, and if you want to zoom, just click on C. There you go. And yeah. Alright, so if you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button to watch all the upcoming videos, and goodbye.